So here I have a website, HTML website, and if you can see in the right corner I have a chat option, and if I click here you can see a pop-up chat bar. And if I send any message here like hello, and whenever I send the message I can see the message in my website chat, that is hello. And if I want to reply the message I can reply from here, and you can see this is the reply. And I can also add any documents or any screenshot from here. So this is how you can send your message to the clients or users, and you can also reply the message from the website. So at first this is a website named Chatra, and if you want to create a Chatra website, all you have to do, you have to go to your web browser and write Chatra. So this is Chatra website and it is totally free. Input your email here and then you have to register, just a normal registration. And here I am doing my registration. So when you complete your registration, you can get a page like that. And in the setting option, here you can see the chat widget, and here you can get the code. Just copy the code from here. And in your website, HTML website, at first I'm taking a normal website like this page, and if I go to live server you can see there is no chat bar. All you have to do, you have to go to your website and in the head option you have to paste the code you copied from Chatra website. So this is the code right now. You just copy the code and paste it here in your head and control S for save. And if I go to the live server, you can see right now this is the previous one. Right now I can see the chat bar here and I can send message from here. And if I send any message, you can see I can get the message in my Chatra website. And this is how you can create your live server and live chat server in your HTML website.